What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Dave McCarthy here, ATV Mob. Today we're going to be doing the Knuckle on the Maverick. Maverick Trail here. We're going to be, gonna take this all apart, get it jacked up, and get this Knuckle changed out. Now, for some reason, Can-Am, they sell you a complete Knuckle with the lower bushing. As you can see here, that bushing there, they do not sell separate. These ones they sell separate. I got those in the truck, and they don't sell wheel bearings. So if you have to replace a Knuckle on your Maverick, you have to buy a new wheel bearing as well. So just keep that in mind when you're going to replace the Knuckle. So let me get set up and we'll get back into the video. Let's just jack this up. Not sure if you guys can see it, but we got a little bit of play here in the bushing. We just found out over here. This wasn't like this before, but now it is for some reason. Looks like to be a bad wheel bearing because none of the bushings are moving. Sweet. Mint. As Peg would say. So what we'll do first, we're gonna get this one all done first. And we get the wheel off, get the Knuckle out. And what we'll do is we'll run up the road here to the Can-Am dealership, about 5 minutes up the road, Robinson's. Power and Sports over here in Sanford. Check them out. And we'll see if they got a wheel bearing and get a new wheel bearing pressed in. Alright, so the lug nuts on the Can-Am here on this are 17 mil. Right.
I'll take care of that.
Oh, you're gonna take care of that? Okay. Whoa, if it falls, just let it go, okay?
No.
No.
It'll break.
It won't break. Your mother's put it through worse. So, I don't know if you can see here, but this bushing here, and so that would be this one here, and this bushing here are gone. So I have these in the truck to replace, so, and I do have a bearing fitting here, but I need to get another one for the left rear. So I'll get some more tools together and we'll get the ripping. All right, so here's the part number. Oops, hold on.
Here we go, Diane.
It's called a cushion kit. Part number 703500875. I do got a 1-inch wheel spacer on here. Alright, caliper bracket bolts are 15.
Here I go.
Right there. There's another one right here. It's weird because when I put this machine up for the winter, and I checked it all out, gave it a small little grease job. That bearing, I jacked it up and double checked it was this side. That bearing was not bad. So I don't know if just from sitting here. Again, I don't know if it just went bad from sitting here or what, but I thought that was definitely different. Okay.
You're not winning, you.
Brake pads still look pretty good. Nice. Don't have to worry about those. You get another step. Yeah, these are all good. Sweet. Okay. Now that's out of the way. Just stick that back right down here. And then those are going to be the same. Yep, 15. Good boy. So that's 17. There's a 15. Hole looks to be a little oblong. That is totally messed up. Yeah, it wrecked the bolt. Look at that, huh? It's only like this much of thread, so I think this will be okay. It's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse, and wow, that's just crazy how it did that. Nope. We'll bring this with us when we go get a wheel bearing. And so I'll use the old race I kept from the right front wheel bearing I did a while back. And I'll just center this on in there. Just like so. Your bearing, and you can see your lip where your snap ring is going to go. And you're good to go. And look at the bottom. It looks pretty good, perfectly seated. Now I'll use the old snap ring out of the other one, and we'll be good to go. Put the new bushings in and get started back together. You put that like that. And I gotta take the old grease fittings out of the other one. Just about. Just gonna put these grease fittings back in. Okay. These grease fittings are a 9/32 socket. Yeah, that's done. Well, all right, we're gonna run up the road real quick and see if we can get a new bolt for here, because that one took some damage to it. And I don't want to keep that in there. You can just see where she just kind of ate down on it. And all right, well, we got the little one all loaded up in the truck. We're gonna take a ride up to Robinson, maybe go see Kevin or James, and get some parts. Hopefully they got some stuff in stock. Got my keys. Ooh, most important, money. I think we're good. Let's go.
Okay.
Say hi, Owen.
Hi, Owen.
Your name's Owen, bud.
Hi to my
Oh, you said hi to your other Owen? So we're gonna take a head up here to Robinson's. We'll kick it into a little montage. We'll see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
We spent a couple hours away from the machine. Started doing some other stuff, but we were able to get some parts. We got a new bolt for the knuckle, for the upper control arm. We got the new wheel bearing in, the new knuckles all in, that side's all back together. And this side now, we didn't have a bushing in stock, but there was no bushings in this place, so we didn't have one. I'm just gonna run with it. So, but this side we do gotta replace the bearing. So, they didn't have an OEM one, they had one from Quad Boss. I don't know anything good about them. So, just trying to get this thing back together. If it goes bad, it goes bad. Order another one, they're pretty cheap. 50 bucks. So, let's, we'll get this one, get the ring out, get this one all pressed in and out. We got everything all back together. Quad Boss bearing. Stick to OEM. I'm gonna run it for now. Knuckles all done. Something else I wanted to bring up to you is we had our opening day, which is supposed to be today. That was canceled because of about a week straight, 2 weeks ago of rain, and it just wrecked the trails. So now everything's been pushed back to Memorial Day weekend or the first week of June. Nothing we can do about that, right? But I still got some repairs on the Renegade to do. I got to redo the rear diff, and we got some Elkas coming. That's right. 4 new Elka shocks going in for the Renegade. Gonna be sweet. Rear diff is leaking, so we got to fix that bad boy. I do got some box stuff up there. That is a new Tiger tail up there we got to do. I think we'll put the Tiger tail on this because I didn't get the right setup for this. I probably should order the 570 plate, but we're gonna put it on the Maverick for now. Till next time, guys, like, subscribe, catch you on the next one.